Okay, today I'm going to go over how to clean for maintenance your hot point dishwasher to prevent clogs and your washer basically breaking down. It won't prevent it from mechanical wear and tear, but it will prevent it from getting clogged up and things of that nature. If you look down in here, there's what's called a, it's basically like a mini garbage. It's a macerator. It's a mini garbage disposal. And you can't really see it because it's hard to get the camera in there. There's like a little blade right here that rotates and chops up food and stuff that gets in here. What you want to do is clean this area out as much as you can. I use a shop vac, so it works pretty good. I recommend using a shop vac. Clean up all this gunk, and I cleaned this up pretty good. It was pretty bad earlier. I could probably clean some more, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some dishwasher cleaning agent through it. I should get the rest. So what you're going to want to do is take out your large strainer, your even larger strainer, which is for like debris that gets caught down there, like straws and stuff like that, for like your kid's cups or something. There's a fine mesh strainer which captures fine particulate before it goes down into your drain, which is how it gets out into, pours out here into your sink. You don't want big globs of stuff getting through because it'll clog that tube. It's only like a quarter of an inch thick tube, so that's a little bit dirty, but I think that might be okay. Rinse it out real quick, and then I'll show you how to put it back together real quick in reverse order. It's easier, it's quicker and easier for me to hold the camera and show you how to put it back in reverse order versus taking everything apart. So, moving on, you want to take this apart as well. Mind that you can reverse order it. This is your float. It tells your washer when to shut the water off so it doesn't overflow. And, you want to clean the inside out. Mine was all had a bunch of mold in it. Cleaned it out. Now back together in reverse order. Together like that. And you don't want to mix these screws up. So the smallest one is for securing this back to its base via the filter. It screws onto the filter. So this larger one, which is a little bit larger than this one, screws into your float. So that's the one I'm going to put back right now. And you just want to put these hand tight. You don't need to have them too tight. And screw it in nice and tight. This also holds your heater coil in place. There you go. That's good enough. Now let's put your basket back in. Oh, do not lose this piece. This is to prevent backflow once it drains down, in case it gets clogged. The water doesn't keep filling up. You want this to go back in there. Just sits down in there. I sucked it out with the vacuum by accident. So next you want to put this basket in right here. It just slides right in. Next you want to put this basket in, like backwards, like so, like that. And then you're going to use these larger screws to bolt that back in. Man, this is way cleaner than what it was. And again, hand tight. I had a bunch of food and crap in here earlier. It was backwashing. It was kind of gross. But that's what happens when you don't wash your dishes off before you put it back in there. You get a bunch of food in there. And, well, you have that macerator or mini garbage disposal in there. It can get clogged. Next, we'll put the filtration basket. And you gotta put this little adapter on here. Make sure it actually goes in the right way. You want it to first plug it into the base, I guess.